Microsoft Outlook shifted the toolbar from the bottom to the side. To move it back to the bottom, the procedure is as follows. Open Outlook. Click on File. Select Options from the menu. In the Options menu, go to the Advanced tab on the left pane. The checkbox associated with Show Apps in Outlook will be checked. Uncheck this checkbox. Click on OK to save the settings. Close Microsoft Outlook by clicking on the cross symbol on the top. Now, search for Microsoft Outlook and open the application. Wait for the application to load. It might need a few seconds. You will notice that the Outlook navigation pane has shifted to the bottom from the side. I hope this was helpful. Please let us know in the comments section. Feel free to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day.